Hello everyone, welcome to BotWaba. In this video, we will teach you how to import subscribers from a CSV file as well as how to manually add subscribers to BotWaba for WhatsApp. First, let's see how to import subscribers from a CSV file. To import subscribers for WhatsApp, go to Subscriber Manager from the left navigation menu. Here we need to keep the bot account selected for which we want to import subscribers. Then from the options, click on the Import Subscribers. Choose a label for the imported subscribers. It is completely optional, but if you want to manage your subscribers effectively, then you can use it. Then choose the bot account again for which you wish to add subscribers. Now we will upload a CSV file to import subscribers. Download the sample CSV file to learn how to create or prepare your CSV file. It has two columns. We must use the same column names as in the CSV file. Remember, the phone number must have the country code but without the plus sign. I already have a CSV file in the appropriate format. Let's upload the CSV file by clicking on the Upload button. Great! All your subscribers will be uploaded here, but it will show you the first two subscribers' phone numbers and names. Check it carefully if all is okay. Now, click on Map Data. Twice, set the phone number to phone number and set the name to subscriber name. Now click on the Confirm button. Your subscribers will be uploaded on BotWaba. We can sort the subscribers by using the label. Let's look at how to manually add subscribers. Now, we can add only one subscriber at a time when adding manually. From the option, click on Create Subscriber. Enter the name of the subscriber. Then enter the WhatsApp number of the subscriber. The phone number must have a country code without the plus sign. Then click on the Save button. We can even manually assign the label on this created subscriber to click Subscriber Action button. In Labels field, assign them a label and just save the changes. This is how we can import and manually add subscribers for WhatsApp business account on BotWaba. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more videos.